To send encrypted email using Godaddy, you first need to understand the basics of email encryption and the tools provided by Godaddy. Email encryption is a way to protect your emails from being read by unauthorized parties. Godaddy offers a range of services including email hosting and encryption tools. The first step is to set up your Godaddy email account. If you have not already done so, create a new email account and follow the setup instructions provided by Godaddy. Once your account is set up, you can enable encryption. To enable encryption, log into your Godaddy account and navigate to the email settings section. Look for the encryption option and select it. You may need to generate a digital certificate or obtain one from a trusted certificate authority. This certificate is used to encrypt and decrypt your emails. Next, you need to configure your email client to use the encryption certificate. If you are using the Godaddy webmail interface, this may be done automatically. However, if you are using a third-party email client such as Outlook or Thunderbird, you will need to manually configure the settings. To send an encrypted email, compose a new email as you normally would. Before sending the email, select the encryption option. This may be a button or checkbox, depending on your email client. Enter the recipient's email address and select the encryption method. The email will then be encrypted using the digital certificate and sent to the recipient. The recipient will need to have the corresponding decryption key to read the email. This key is usually provided with the digital certificate. If the recipient does not have the decryption key, they will not be able to read the email. Best practices for sending encrypted email include using strong passwords and keeping your digital certificate and decryption key secure. You should also only send encrypted email to recipients who have the necessary decryption key. In summary, sending encrypted email using Godaddy involves setting up your email account, enabling encryption, configuring your email client, and sending the encrypted email. By following these steps and using best practices, you can protect your emails from being read by unauthorized parties and ensure secure communication.